Updating your legal name on Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams. Launch the Microsoft Teams application on your computer or access it through your web browser. Step 2. Go to Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to account. In the Settings menu, click on the Account tab. This section allows you to manage your account details, including your name. Step 4. Edit your name. Look for the option to edit your name. Enter your new legal name in the appropriate fields. Make sure to double check for any spelling errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, click the Save button to apply the changes. Your updated name should now reflect across Microsoft Teams. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name will be updated in Microsoft Teams. Make sure to inform your contacts of the change if necessary.